I've been drinking coffee, and I've been drinking coffee, and I've been drinking banana coffee. I don't really feel like I have the right to continue on that song because I have not been eating healthy. Me and Olivia have been getting this really dangerous routine of late night ordering Papa John's desserts. I'd say comfortable every other night, but he's looked down. Fuck it. If now's not the time to finish a whole tub of Ben & Jerry's every other evening, when it is. Really hot, really, really, really hot. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a haul video. Oh my god, a haul, back with the hauls. I'm so excited, I'm so caffeinated. I could actually scream. I love filming haul videos and I just kind of fell out of the routine of them, to be honest. Also, I want to quickly mention before I get into the video, because I know I will get so many questions, this top here, it's beautiful. Ooh! Someone employ me as a model already. Jesus Christ, like, you know, get the contract ready, I'm ready to sign. This top is from Cold Print Store. They sell really cool tops. Anytime I'm wearing my Frank Ocean, Georgia Smith t-shirts, it's all Cold Print. So there you go. You're very welcome. And another thing to quickly mention is that this next minute of the video is actually sponsored by one of my favourite brands in the whole entire world. Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty are a personalised hair care and now body care brand. You can basically go on their website, you fill out a really quick 60-second quiz all about your hair and your hair goals, and they will custom, who wants custom Nikes these days? It's all about custom shampoo and conditioner. The bottles are so beautiful, you can even personalise the colour and the scent. I chose eucalyptus and mint this time. I know, very mature, she's turning a page. I will no longer be smelling like a sweet shop, I will be smelling like a sexy, fierce, independent woman. God, why am I dropping everything? Do you remember how in my last video I said one day I'm going to do one of these photo booth things looking actually presentable and you're going to be blown away? Well, today's the day. I realised editing this back that I didn't mention my personal hair goals, and I thought it might be helpful for any of you guys who sort of think you have similar hair to me. As you guys know, I have very problematic hair. Conversation for a different day. My profile was straight, fine and normal. My goals were replenish hair, shine, strengthen, thermal protection and volumize, and the fragrance I chose was eucalyptus, and I also chose it to be silicone free, because I know silicone is the devil for your hair apparently. So yeah, that's what I got, and I got the purple bottles as well. Even the bottles are personalised. As you can see, it says Function of Flossie, so I always think these would make an incredible gift. I do have a discount code which I will leave on screen here, and I will have links to Function of Beauty down below. They honestly make your hair incredible. As you can see, my hair is like really bouncy, and I fully credit it to Function of Beauty. So thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. You are my babes. I love you all so much, but without further ado, let's get trying on some clothes. I would be lying if I said I shaved my armpits. But I mean, we're all friends here, no one really cares. Just like to quickly show, I have in fact got my bra stuck on my earrings. Trying to take it off. I've also just completely realised I haven't mentioned this is a Zara haul, by the way. Everything I'm going to be trying on is from Zara. The first item I got is this beautiful satin corset. It's like underwired bodysuit. Now, something I always do with bodysuits when they're sort of cut like this is I wear a lacy bra underneath. If the lace shows it's not ugly, do you know what I mean? I feel like it kind of adds a little bit of something. I also really burnt my finger today on my curling iron. Can you see it? It's like starting to go all shiny. I think it's so sweet, it's so flattering. It is a teeny tiny bit big. Also too, just for reference, I won't be talking about sizing. Well, I'll be talking about sizing, but I won't be talking about my personal size. I know that's can be very triggering for some people, but I will be saying, you know, either stick to your usual size. I would honestly just go by the Zara size guide, but I will be saying either stick to your usual size or size down or size up maybe. You know, obviously my last intention ever is to upset or offend anybody or trigger anybody, so it's just something I won't be doing anymore. Sorry if that is an inconvenience for some people, but sensitive topic. I wore this bodysuit with a pair of jeans actually the other night. Me and Olivia had a little solo wine and cheese night. I know! Who the bloody hell are we? Moving on from shots of Malibu and sours to wine and cheese. Like red wine. It's fucking horrible, not gonna lie. Enjoy the cheese part, maybe just cheese night next time. And then the next thing I got is this little like leather skirt, faux leather obviously. It's got this kind of seam detail here which makes the waist look pretty excellent. So I'm thoroughly enjoying a big 10 out of 10 from Flow Dog. I really tried to make Flow Dog work, but it didn't really catch on. Oh my god, the bloody coat of dreams, man. This great big puffer coat, which is in the sale. It's in the sale. Do I need to give you any more reason to buy it? I got this big leather puffer. This outfit. Tell me I'm not doing something, because I know I bloody am. This outfit, oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Woo! through London with nothing to do because we're in a global pandemic and there's a national lockdown. I really think I'm Kendall Jenner. I need to stop. This coat is actually from the men's section and I would actually recommend sizing up. I sized up from my usual size, but I always do that with coats anyway because I like them really big, oversized. I'm just so obsessed. She's so cute. She said, oh my god, I haven't burped in a video in ages. Do I leave it in or do I cut that out? We'll leave it in. She sells herself. I feel like Ariana Grande. Oh my god, I'm listening to so much Ariana Grande. Bloody love it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another winner. And she's got thumb holes. Thumb holes. So much fun. Love me a thumb hole. Next thing I got is this like asymmetric bodysuit. I saw this on the website and I thought it was so cool. It's actually like kind of double lined. It's got an extra layer in sort of the chesticle area to keep the girls tight, secure. I mean, when I do turn to the side, like they have disappeared, gone inverted into my chest, but I'm not gonna complain. It is so beautiful. She's literally perfect. Like the whole back is cut out. Just realized I haven't done up this skirt. Sorry about it. Really thoroughly enjoying and cannot wait to whip this little number out for my next sushi samba with Olivia and Louis. I actually think we're just all morphing into the same person at this point. It's pretty terrifying. If I was a model, what do? Models have those ecom, don't they? Like their ecom poses, they're like little coat flip. Sometimes I just have to stop and have a long, hard think and look at myself in the mirror. She's a winner, chicken dinner, even with a pair of jeans. Obsessed, really thoroughly enjoying. I'm not sure what I thought I was doing ordering this top, but I just don't really think it's for me. It's my red patchy chest as well, by the way. I actually, do you know what I'm really scary? Doing these hauls, or even just getting ready in the morning, my windows are wide open, curtains drawn back. I hope and pray to God no one can see into this flat because I think I would have a very big therapy bill coming to my door from the things they've seen, but anyway, we move. I just think as well, because I'm pale at the moment, you guys know, no fake tan lockdown. I'm really bloody struggling, let me tell you. My bedsheets, on the other hand, you see that? Thriving. Let me know what you guys think. I was thinking this with like loads of gold jewelry, but I also feel like it's quite spring, isn't it? And we're going into winter. I don't really wear stuff like this, so I don't know. She will probably be going back. Moving on? Okay. I think so too. Oh, don't mind me whilst I live out my sage green fantasies. I am so obsessed with this top. Literally the most beautiful fluffy top. This with a tan, loads of gold jewelry, loads of gold necklaces, a nice pair of jeans, a big jacket. Oh, I can see it already. Please, bye Joe. Let me go outside because I got so many nice clothes to wear and nowhere to go. I also got these shorts. I don't really, to be honest, feel like I need to try them on. They're basically just like black, basic cotton shorts because if I haven't mentioned already, we are stuck in the house, so comfort is going to be my #1 priority. I'm really sorry to break it to you, but I will not be sat around my house in a satin bodysuit and a leather skirt. It's going to be this. Although talking of comfort, this is incredibly comfy. I mean, you also don't really need to wear a bra with it. I mean, it's not see-through. I probably would wear a bra just because I don't like not wearing bras. Unpopular opinion, I'm comfier in a bra. I know. May have ruffled a few feathers with that one, but a girl's got to be honest. I love a good bra. Them. I actually have quite a few. Maybe I collect them. Maybe that's my hobby. I was thinking the other day, how lucky am I that my hobby's my job? But yeah, just a pair of basic. Yep, that's the one. A pair of basic black shorts. Really cute. Really cute. Really enjoying. Yay. Big hoodie. Going down to collect the parcels. We've had a big influx of parcels, let me tell you. It's like Christmas Day every single day. It's got these little ties here that are adjustable and it's kind of low back as well. Immaculate energy all round. I really wasn't sure when I saw this dress, but I felt like I just had to pick it up. Like I had to try it, I had to get it on my body, get this stuff out of my system. I'm not usually a sequin girl, to be honest, but I always think sequins is because I don't like the look of them up close, but when it's away, at a distance, it's just a twinkle. And I want to twinkle. That was a horrible sentence. This is a beautiful ruched bodycon dress. It's actually got like a little frill detail down here. So stretchy as well. So I probably would recommend sizing down. I would have got a smaller size just because I feel like it could be a bit tighter and sort of cinch me at the waist a little bit more, and a smaller size would do that. But it's excellent that it's got a bit of give because Christmas is also the time of every single thing I see inside. Look good on everyone. I'm actually planning, no, you know what, no, I'm not gonna tell you. I've got a little bit of a hair plan going on and I think this dress is gonna look excellent with it. So I mean, stay tuned for that video because it's gonna be a whole whirlwind. Could end in tears, but we'll see, we'll see. Really enjoying. Let me know what you guys think. Something so different. I walked into the kitchen wearing this and I thought Olivia was going to burst out laughing because I don't particularly love sequins, but I know Olivia really does not like sequins. But she said it looks so good, so let me know, would you guys wear this? What do you think? Do you think it's too much or do you think it's cute? I also like that it's really short. I love a really short dress. I think they're really fun. Some people might say Tati, aka my mother, Emma Clegg. Miss you dearly, by the way, if you're watching this. Haven't seen you in ages, and hopefully I can come see you soon if the government allows me to. Oh my god, my coffee machine is on a mad one in there. There is a full-on party going on in that kitchen and I'm not even invited. I actually just don't know what to do with myself. Why am I not in Dubai? That's the real question. Why am I not there? Why am I here? Why am I not there? Although having said that, the weather is absolutely delightful today. Can you see that sunlight there? Loving it. Thank you, England. This is going to be my new favourite dress. It's a beautiful white ruched halter neck style. Very beachy because it has got tie at the back. So flattering. There's a little bit of... No, there's not. No, there's not. That was a push. There is definitely not. I was about to say there's a little bit of curvature, but these ruched dresses are honestly just beautiful. I really enjoy them. I'd say they're probably my favourite. I was really undecided as to how I was going to feel about this dress because the model on the website had massive boobs and I am unfortunately kind of lacking in that department, but I still think it's really flattering. I feel really secure in it. The straps are adjustable as well, so you can tie them tighter if you want a little bit more lift. I'm actually just obsessed. I feel like I'm back in Ibiza. Who's going to take me on a date? No one? Okay, fine. Won't ask again. Oh my god, there's something in my wardrobe I forgot about. That would have been a bloody nightmare because it's actually one of my favourite pieces. Now, you guys know me. I was about to say for a blazer, but that is very explicit, very extreme, and very unnecessary. We'll not be using that terminology on youtube.com/Frosty ever again. So don't you worry, children. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I really popped off. You know, I really popped off with this order. There are not a lot of times where basically everything I try on I love, but I love 90% of this. There's one item so far that I'm like, yeah, no, see ya, in the bin. No, not in the bin, back to Zara, because we don't waste in this household. Colour of this blazer is just absolutely everything. I don't think I could be more obsessed with it. It's got beautiful shoulder pads. The length of it is absolutely perfect. I do struggle a lot of times with blazers just being way too long. Like, they nearly hit my knees. I'm 5'3" for reference.
She's so small. I'm so small. I'm so bite-sized and pocket-sized. Pick me.
That's how I feel every time I mention my height. It's kind of greeny. Like, I want to say it's a kind of greeny colour. I feel like Lissy Roddy. What's the Millie Bobby Brown thing? When she walks in, she goes... Nailed it. You know what that means, boys. Oh my god, I'm pretty sure my whole boob just fell out. Period. We have another winner. Now, my family actually, every Christmas Eve pretty much, we have a party where we just have people from our village, like our good friends over. This will be my attire. Obviously, you know, if the rules allow it, but this will be my Christmas Eve dress. I am just in awe. Whoever the Zara designers are right now, can someone please put me in personal contact with them so I can personally thank and congratulate them on their absolute geniusness. Look at the straps on this dress. It's black cowl neck sequin and the back is just absolutely... Ooh, lighting. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
The back is just absolutely stunning. It's so special. I'm just so obsessed with it. Black sequins are a little bit less intense than the silver because they do just sparkle. One thing I will say about this dress is it is a slip. So basically what that means is it doesn't sort of cinch your waist. If you do only look for dresses that sort of flatter your body, it's not the most flattering in the world, but it is just so special and I think it's really classy. Imagine it without this. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Big thumbs up. Yes, 10 out of 10. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Just want to get in a bowl, bite it. Wow. 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 I feel like a woman. What's that song? Man, I feel like a woman. Or this is doing things to me. The last thing I got, I'm really sorry guys, I'm just not going to be trying this one on. Not because I don't think it's beautiful, I have actually already tried it on and I can confirm it's bloody delicious. It's basically just this really simple cream plain crop. Something I really like about this is actually, can you see at the bottom the way the front sort of curves up? I feel like that's really flattering. It's not see-through at all, you don't have to wear a bra with it, and it's nice and tight as well, so it sort of holds the girls in place. But the reason I won't be trying this on is because the neck hole is quite small. I am wearing makeup, believe it or not. This is, I wish this was how I look, but it's not. I know. I'm sad about it too. That was the last thing I got, but I did also get some homeware stuff. Well, not only am I a fiend for Zara clothing, you guys know Zara's like my favourite brand ever, I'm also a fiend for Zara Home. And if you didn't know, I have moved out. I am in an apartment. I'm not in my family home. So, do you know what? I was gonna just bring them up here, but that'd be boring. Let's go on a little room tour. The first thing I got with these frames, oh wow, the sunlight is really doing them justice. They're just these beautiful gold frames. I got 3 because I've got plans to hang them up somewhere in my room, but I'm actually thinking I'm gonna do a little room transformation video. So I won't be showing you where. And I also have to be careful that I don't show other things in my bedroom because I have got some stuff that will be featured in the video, which I haven't seen yet. My room is really starting to pop off, guys. Like, you're all gonna be really proud of me. My home interior dreams are really coming true. Then I got this reed diffuser. Their reed diffusers are amazing. They literally kick off so much scent. The dark amber one is my favorite. I got one of these when I first moved into my flat, but it ran out, so I actually got 2. I've got 1 on each nightstand and they are bloody delicious. Everyone who walks into my room always says my room smells nice, and I have a thing about smells. I always want to smell nice. If you tell me I smell nice, you have made my week. Moving on. I then got these fluffy cushions. How lovely. Just how lovely. I felt like my bed was looking a wee little bit sad. Both these blankets actually as well from Zara Home. Zara, if you want to sponsor me, please. Like, please. The amount of money I spend on your website every month is unhealthy. My parents are concerned. I am getting booked in for therapy. What about it? Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I'm so happy. Like, I'm just really happy. I'm buzzing today. So guys, that is the end of my video. I really do hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, you can give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you check out Function of Beauty as well. Once again, thank you so much, Function of Beauty, for working with me on this video. Once again, I'll have links to all the Function of Beauty stuff down below, along with discount codes, the country availability, all of that stuff. I love you all so much. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. I hope you're all safe. I hope you are all healthy. I'm thinking of everyone who is struggling during this time. Don't forget to keep talking to people about how you're feeling. There are so many people around you who want to love and support you, and you should never feel embarrassed or ashamed to reach out, because you have to look after yourself in these times. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Instagram if you want to go follow me over there. I love you guys so much. Like, honestly, just so much. I'm so appreciative for all of you, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.